Good afternoon, my name is Michael, technician working on your vehicle today. Welcome to this See It Now video. I want to do a See It Now video just to run through what we found regarding the front suspension. So the vehicle has had a front repair. As you can see here, quite a lot of overspray on the under tray here. Also does have the wrong bolts holding the bumper on there. Also underneath here, a few of the items here are marked with red paint. Also on this side are marked caliper bolts as well. And also these suspension bolts in here are marked as well. So it's obviously had a repair. Problem is though, is when these get damaged, you can actually damage the hubs. So your front camber doesn't have any adjustment, so it is fixed from factory. So when the hubs get damaged, that can be what puts the camber out. Nothing looks obviously bent from what I can see, but it's obviously very hard to see any bend in this actual hub unit here. So what BMW do offer is they offer adjustment hubs. So they're actually modified hubs. This whole unit is manufactured differently to allow for compensations in camber, so it allows you to adjust camber. It's actually quite an involved job replacing them. Also, not knowing the condition of this one, you may just need the standard hub if this one is bent. It could just be a standard hub, and that could fix your problem. But once that's been fitted, if it's still out, you may need then another hub. So it could be a multi-stage repair. So you'd have to get it back to factory where we 100% know the hub is in good condition, and then go from there. Coming down the vehicle as well, your rear KDS, where you adjust the bolts, are quite rusty as well. So these are the adjustments here. As you can see, that bolt in really bad condition there. So would have to be something we would have to try and get to loosen off. That could involve more work as well. And then KDS the rears as well, because you have to carry out a four-wheel alignment there. Your service for today is Wes, and we'll contact very shortly. And thank you for taking time to watch the video today.